The mobile processor industry is heating up with the launch of Qualcomm's new Snapdragon X-Elite chip. Qualcomm claims the Snapdragon X-Elite will deliver up to twice the CPU performance of Intel's 13th Gen mobile processors. At the same time, Intel touts up to 41% faster single-thread speed over the prior 12th Gen Core series. Let's take an in-depth look at how these two processors perform compared to each other.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
At the heart of the Snapdragon X-Elite's impressive performance lies its sophisticated architecture. Fabricated on the advanced 4nm TSMC process, the processor introduces the Orion heterogeneous CPU configuration. This configuration is composed of 1 ultra-high-performance core, 4 high-performance cores, and 7 efficiency cores, ensuring a dynamic balance between power and efficiency. In contrast, Intel's 13th Gen mobile processors leverage a 10nm superfin architecture featuring a heterogeneous hybrid core design. Taking the i9-13900H as an example, this Intel chip boasts a total of 14 cores, with 6 dedicated to high performance and 8 optimized for efficiency. The difference in core composition showcases distinct approaches to achieving optimal performance in mobile computing. The Snapdragon X-Elite achieves a boost speed of up to 4.3 GHz with its dual performance cores. In comparison, Intel's P-Core and E-Core boost frequencies each 5.4 GHz and 4.0 GHz respectively on their highest-end models. This indicates that while Qualcomm's processor may have a slightly lower peak frequency, its overall architecture and core configuration contribute significantly to its competitive performance. Now, when it comes to memory and caching capabilities, the Snapdragon X-Elite integrates 42 MB of total cache and supports fast LPDDR5X RAM up to 64 GB. On the other hand, Intel's mobile chips provide 48 MB of L3 cache and compatibility with DDR5 memory. The differences here may not be drastic, but they reflect the nuanced choices each manufacturer has made in optimizing their processors for various computing tasks. In our opinion, the Snapdragon X-Elite's utilization of the Orion configuration and the advanced 4nm TSMC process demonstrates Qualcomm's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile processor technology. While Intel's 14th Gen processors showcase their own strength, the Snapdragon X-Elite's architecture appears to strike a compelling balance between performance and efficiency. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X-Elite seems to be making significant strides in the realm of mobile processors, showcasing a commendable performance edge over Intel's latest 13th Gen mobile silicon. The standout feature touted by Qualcomm is the Snapdragon X-Elite's impressive 70% better power efficiency compared to Intel's counterpart. In single-threaded Geekbench 6.2 tests with a 23-watt TDP, the Snapdragon X-Elite demonstrated its prowess by scoring 2,777 points, surpassing the Intel Core i9 13900H and i7 13620H, which scored 2,610 and 2,597 points respectively. Even at a higher 80-watt TDP, the Snapdragon X-Elite continued to outshine, registering 2,967 points, surpassing the Intel Core i5 14600K score of 2,879 points. This establishes the Snapdragon X-Elite as a formidable competitor, matching or surpassing Intel's fastest mobile chips in single-core speed. The multi-core performance of the Snapdragon X-Elite at 80 watt is equally impressive, achieving 15,130 points in Geekbench 6, while the Intel i7 lags behind with 1,271 points. This showcases a clear lead for Qualcomm in both single and multi-core performance over Intel's 13th Gen processors. Adding another layer to its superiority, Qualcomm claims that the Snapdragon X-Elite delivers twice the graphics performance compared to the Intel Core i7 at the same power draw. This not only positions the Snapdragon X-Elite as a robust choice for general processing tasks, but also promises a substantial advantage in mobile gaming FPS. So we could say that Qualcomm's Snapdragon X-Elite is setting a high standard in mobile processor efficiency and performance. These benchmark results underscore the chip's capability to outperform Intel's offerings, suggesting a promising future for Qualcomm in the competitive landscape of mobile processors. A key highlight of the Snapdragon X-Elite is its integrated AI engine, which accelerates multiple neural network models for practical applications. Qualcomm also enhanced computer vision capabilities on the chip, which helps enable advanced camera features. For connectivity, the Snapdragon supports the latest 3GPP released 16 5G specifications for blazing fast cellular data speeds. It also permits Wi-Fi 7 network compatibility. Intel 13th Gen mobile processors provide hardware-based AI acceleration as well through Intel Deep Learning Boost. For graphics, Intel leverages its powerful Z-integrated GPU architecture, which supports gaming, content creation, and AI inferencing. On the other hand, Intel aims to reclaim the mobile crown with its upcoming 14th generation Meteor Lake chips. These new processors optimize power efficiency through intelligent thread routing that leverages the different core types. Meteor Lake also integrates Z-HPG graphics, bringing ray tracing capabilities to the integrated GPU. This promises a visual boost for gaming and creative workloads compared to prior integrated graphics. While full details remain scarce, Meteor Lake represents Intel's effort to push new architectural innovations to regain leadership in the laptop space. Comparing the Snapdragon X-Elite and Meteor Lake, Intel's efficiency focus could give it an edge in battery life. But the Snapdragon's raw power based on early benchmark suggests it may still reign supreme in sheer performance. The integrated Z-HPG graphics on Meteor Lake are also appealing for gaming and creative uses. However, the Snapdragon touts stronger integrated AI capabilities. Both chipmakers are clearly upping their game, but the custom optimizations Intel is baking into Meteor Lake combined with enhanced graphics could make it a formidable opponent once again. A surprise reveal at this year's Computex trade show gave us a glimpse of how close Intel's 14th Gen Meteor Lake laptops are to launch. MSI accidentally showcased a mysterious new laptop labeled as the Prestige 16, spotted by the press at Tom's Hardware. MSI boasted this model featuring the latest Intel Core i7 processor, yet its specifications were unknown. Upon closer inspection, the Prestige 16 was confirmed to be harboring an unreleased 14th Gen Meteor Lake chip inside, exhibiting the hallmarks of Intel's new architecture. MSI's slip-ups strongly suggest Meteor Lake chips have already entered manufacturing and integration into upcoming laptops. The inadvertent debut of the Meteor Lake-powered Prestige 16 at Computex hints that consumers won't have to wait much longer before these next-gen Intel laptops officially hit store shelves. This early real-world sighting implies the Meteor Lake rollout is imminent. The 13th generation Intel processors came out last year and they have been in the market for a while now. Many laptops featuring the improved hybrid P-Core and E-Core CPUs are now available. Meanwhile, Qualcomm expects to see devices equipped with the Snapdragon X-Elite launching sometime in 2024. So if you're looking forward to this new chip from Qualcomm, you have to wait. Right now, all three of the chip makers are clearly pushing hard to maximize performance and power efficiency. But for now, the Snapdragon X-Elite appears extremely competitive on the multi-threaded speed at lower power draw based on specs and early benchmarks provided by the company.